Morning time again, my people. Morning time again. It's me, from Si.Nai, live on Si.Nai TV station. I'm there upon the airstrip. Seeing Si.Nai TV station. I want to name garbage, my people. Seeing you want to name garbage, my people. Yeah, me sell more. Just a minute, my people. Pass the video. Let me kick it off again. Just got a sale, my people. You don't know. Sale have to come in same way. See? All the time overcast. I want to name garbage, my people, all over the world. New York, Bronx, England, everywhere. Birmingham, Jamaica, everywhere. You want to name garbage, my people. You have a lot of people who have carried them garbage from way how much farther of them community. And can dispose and throw it actually even on the roadside, my people. I want to stop them something, my people. See, we have the Riverton dump, we have a lot of places where you can carry rubbish instead of throw it in the corporate area. Or where people actually use you know they go away them, my people, because cleanliness is godliness, my people. If you know, say a rubbish bin down there, so a Riverton down there, so I don't just carry no rubbish, but they jet them parts, because I know me not tell no lie down here. Shoot back. And I don't want nobody feel offended, including myself, me at all. See, if me know that I can't get for disposable and I garbage them, I just burn them immediately. Because some of the garbage them, my people, having dead animal. More want to tell me if I lie, me I tell her the truth. And some thinking boat where some people dash way. Some of the garbage rubbish them what the people them come through and left all boat in the city or in your community. Pad and sort of thing in them. So it's going to look hard. It's going to look hard. Go clean up somebody else's garbage. See, my people, we can do that, yes, but not all the time, my people. You understand me? I say, we have to learn to help one another. Because sometimes some people don't have time even to help them, even their own self, my people. Sometimes people don't have enough time to help even their own self, my people. So I know me not tell no lie, don't have to shoot me. See, sometimes I feel lazy to empty the rubbish them. So I burn them, my people. Burn them. Zine. Yeah. And at the same time, me no want trouble for nobody rubbish. And people go complain, say, me trouble rubbish and the whatsoever. You understand me? So people, me are telling you all over the world, both New York, England, Jamaica, everywhere. When you not go throw no rubbish them, carry it at the rubbish dump. Instead of litter the place. Even which part me sell, sometimes people come dash our rubbish and then see the bin over there. So the bin then near which part they can come throw the same thing in the bin. And then rather throw it at my business place. Yes, my general. Yes, my brother. See, people see I two pass and see two me attack. So it's seal. We don't want to see nothing more. See, yeah, people spiteful too. See it. Yeah, people is spiteful. Yes, Empress. You see me I chat to my people left. And see nice and decent people in my walk past on the waiting gallery. And I say, and I wait to Si.Nai TVs. And I'm not going to lie, me I tell. When you're not going to dash on the rubbish, make sure you not tie up on the rubbish and dash to it. And dispose of no garbage good. And wait till the truck come. Because truth be about, no people live where nearest part rubbish can throw. And then refuse to throw the rubbish them in the rubbish bag. And that I want to make you know. So, me just start on things and I say basically truth and I say I go on. Me not chat people business and me not bad mind nobody. See, me just want people to move the right way or people to move Beijing. See, so that me have to tell you, as to jet them past. Si.Nai TV station. See, you want to name garbage, me people. See, and then the truth all over the world, me see them same thing they go on. People choke. Carry rubbish and we have for them community control and for your community. See, and sometimes dog and animal and hog and goat draw those rubbish my people, because sometimes food items, see, in the rubbish them my people. Sometimes food and pot and sort of same thing. And people will come throw it down fire and throw all of your fence. Throw all of your pipe side. Where you have to drink your water. You see this bag of pad. Look at me, other people. See, because you see things there, fling up on my membership, them just have fling it you know, I couldn't know what go on in my people, it's out in the world. Dispose them on garbage properly. See it, I wait till the truck pass through the community, dash the, yes, but general, dash the rubbish them in there. Instead of left it out, we make hog and goat and dog dry. And tear out the pot them and the same thing them why in the bag them. See, and the whole brief and the whole thinking boot them. See, as a man rape and chuck and sight and come in and take off and out thief wait. Sometimes they really boot them, they don't want to way back the way boot thing. So I'm not gonna lie, me I tell you, the virtual, me I do my thing and I talk. See, me not talk about nobody specific. Me I pick all the beam out of my eye. If you show and say no lie, me I tell. When me I go throw my rubbish there, me can't get me reach to the truck and the rubbish being out on the road. Me burn the rubbish them, my people. Me burn them, and that me do. As me for telling a Si.Nai TV station downtown Kingston, Jamaica. Beautiful Jamaica. Look at it, my people. Loving it like, wow, and being nice and decent people. I walk past from the waving gallery. Yo, my ladies, my people, me loving it down here. People over the world, my messenger friend and my Facebook friend, me loving it. And that me I telling you, Si.Nai TV station. Nothing but love. Look at it.